Welcome to Singing with Ron! Welcome to the next video. This one is for the ladies, and what we're going to do is the moan. So for women, it's higher in my voice, so it's exactly that pitch, but it's middle C. Or down here lower. An octave lower for me is where I'm going to do it, but you're going to be doing that pitch. Now, you can find one that is a little bit higher, a little bit lower. Good. So, what we're going to do is we're going to do the exact same thing as we did in the previous video, but we're going to do it with humming. And I want you to feel like the sounds are resonantly making your lips buzz. I might do it down here because it feels more buzzy for me. And in your nose and in the front of your face. Okay, so what I want you to be aware of first is leaning forward. What happens to your resonance? Leaning back, good. So finding that place where you're just right over top. So now what I want you to do is lock your knees back and feel the tension with your knees locked. And now unlock your knees or soften them. Good. Next we're going to tilt our pelvis forward, which creates a whole bunch of tension. Good, and then we're going to tilt our pelvis back, which causes a whole bunch of tension as well. Good, then we're going to lift our chest. And then we're going to drop our chest. Good, and then we're going to send our chin forward. Sending our chin back, that kind of tension, and then just kind of play around and finding that lovely neutral place where the sound effortlessly vibrates in your lips and in your nose and in the front of your face. Great.